In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book Amtrak train tickets online in this 2025 tutorial. Whether you're planning a spontaneous getaway or scheduling a well-deserved vacation, the learning to book your train tickets through Amtrak's website can save you both time and hassle. So let's dive right in and make that booking process as straightforward as possible. Our journey begins with navigating to the official Amtrak website, which you can easily access by typing amtrak.com into your browser's address bar. Once you're on the homepage, you'll notice the search form prominently displayed. This is where you'll enter essential details for your trip. Start by selecting your departure and arrival cities from the provided drop-down menus. Be sure to double-check that you've chosen the right Amtrak stations to ensure a smooth trip. Next, carefully select your travel dates. Amtrak allows you to choose both the departure and return dates if you're booking a round trip, so make sure each is set according to your travel plans. Now, it's time to indicate the number of passengers in your party. The website accommodates various passenger types, including adults, seniors, and children, so make sure you select the correct categories to match your travel group. Once you have all the necessary information filled out, hit the search button to view your travel options. With your options laid out, you can now browse through the list of available trains along with departure times and fares. Take your time to compare the options, paying close attention to both the price and the schedule to find the best fit for your journey. When you've zeroed in on your preferred train, click to select it and proceed to the next step. Now that you've selected your train, it's time to enter the passenger information. Amtrak will ask for details such as names and ages for each person traveling. Be accurate with this information to avoid any mishaps later on. After you've entered these details, move forward to the payment page. Amtrak accepts several forms of payment, so choose the one that suits you best and carefully input your payment details, ensuring everything is correct to avoid errors. Once payment is processed, congratulations, you've successfully booked your trip. Amtrak will typically send you an e-ticket via email, so be sure to check your inbox. Additionally, you can also access your ticket directly on the website if needed, making it easy to save a digital copy or print it out for your records. And there you have it, your comprehensive guide to booking Amtrak train tickets online for 2025. Remember, planning ahead and following these steps can make the process smooth and easy, allowing you to focus on what really matters, enjoying your journey. Thank you for watching, and happy travels.